Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorials how to set circle dimension. Okay, here I will go to part design and you can click create new, create body, create sketch, we choose top plane. Next I will draw a circle in this point. If you want to set this circle by diameter, you can use these tools, constraint diameter, and then select the circle object to be sure for the diameter. You can set light into 40, click OK to apply. Press escape button to close, and then you can select this diameter to move like into inside, or you can set in outside. The other option, you also can set diameter into reference and diameter. You can use again this icon, select the circle, and then you can check for the reference, click OK to apply. So we have this reference diameter. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorials how to circle diameter. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.